In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Valorant secure boot and TPM 2.0 error on Asrock. So let's get started. Now the first thing we have to do is enable secure boot. So I'm just going to go ahead and write it down. Enable secure boot. Perfect. So restart your computer and press the designated key to enter the BIOS setup, which is usually F2, the delete key or escape key. The exact key will depend on your ASRock motherboard model. Then you have to use the arrow keys to navigate to the security or boot section of the BIOS. Find the option for secure boot and enable it. This option might be labeled as secure boot control, secure boot state, or something similar. Some BIOS settings allow you to choose the secure boot mode. If available, select standard or full mode. Press the save and exit or F10 key to save the changes and exit the BIOS, and this will automatically restart your computer. The next thing we have to do is to enable TPM 2.0. Okay, so ensure that your Asrock motherboard actually supports TPM 2.0. This information can be usually found in the motherboard's manual or on the Asrock website. If your motherboard supports TPM 2.0, you should find an option to enable it within the BIOS. This option might be labeled as TPM device configuration or TPM 2.0 support or something similar. Enable the TPM 2.0 option and save the changes, and then your computer will automatically restart. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.